Some individuals wonder if sleeping on the left side is far better than sleeping on the right side. Did you know that your sleeping position might impact your basic health? Many people think whether their sleeping position can add pain to your back and neck, or perhaps stomach concerns. The worst sleeping position is on your stomach. Sleeping on your stomach can be hard on your back, shoulders and neck and makes it difficult to maintain a natural curve of your spine. It can also lead to shoulder pain from sleeping. Sleeping on your stomach puts pressure on your joints and muscles, which can lead to pain, numbness, and tingling. If you can't sleep any other way, reduce the strain on your back by placing a pillow under your pelvis and lower abdomen. Also place a pillow under your head if it doesn't place too much strain on your back, but if it does cause strain, don't use pillow at all. Benefits of sleeping on the left side. Interesting fact, the majority of Americans, 63%, prefer sleeping on their side. In this position, the person sleeps on the side while the back is slightly curled with knees bent and arms folded. Many consider this position to be the healthiest, as it helps to keep your airways open and matches the natural curve of the spine. To make this position even better, you can add a pillow between your knees to reduce stress on the hips. Sleeping on the left side helps relieve heartburn, acid reflux. If you tend to suffer from heartburn, then sleeping on your side, especially on the left, can also make a difference. Research has found that sleeping on the left side can relieve heartburn symptoms, while right side sleeping makes them worse. The reason for that is not entirely clear, and several theories have been raised about this issue. Sleeping on the left side also keeps the expanding body weight from pushing down too hard on your liver. Good for the brain and could prevent Alzheimer's disease. A recent study from Stony Brook University suggests that sleeping in the side position, as compared to sleeping on the back or stomach, may more effectively remove brain waste. The findings were published in the Journal of Neuroscience on July 2015. This could help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease because the buildup of brain waste may contribute to its development as well as other neurological conditions. The brain's cleansing process, called the glymphatic system, clears waste from the brain similarly to the way the body's lymphatic system clears waste from the organs. This process is most efficient during sleep.